So yesterday was kind of a rough day for me. I found a fairly significant problem with my blades. Uh, Almost got frustrated enough to pack her in, not go to blade. Just, I don't know, stop doing this. But I got over feeling sorry for myself, so uh, and figured out how to fix the issue with the blade. And I'll flip the camera around and show you what the problem is, and then I'll show you the fix out on the mill too. So the problem on my blades, I do a pocket for the bearing to ride in, and if that pocket is not perfectly parallel with the sides and with itself, the blade sits off, right? So it's right up against one side, and it only has to be what was it, one thousandth of an inch out of parallel with the side. Pushes the end of the knife over so it touches the side of the the side of the handle, which is not cool, as you know. So what I figured out after using my nice granite block, which is very, very flat, and my dial indicator, what I do is I take these 1, 2, 3 blocks, and they're 1, 2, 3 because they are 1 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inch. They're very flat and very square and all that good stuff. So what I did is I mount them down, find the side that I determine is the straight side, and then clamp it to the blocks, and then run the dial indicator over it. To make sure it's flat. If it's not, this one happened to be good. It's sitting in there parallel with this face, which is what I want. So if it's not, then I use shim. So I was using this piece of plastic here as a shim yesterday for a couple of the blades to get them to clamp down right. So this one is all set up and ready to go in the mill, and what I'm doing is I'm milling out the pocket so that I can use one of my hardened bearing washers. Focus. Hardened bearing washers in the blade as a shim. Seems to be working quite well. See there? Nice smooth. Nice centered. Good action on it. Getting down to just needing to sharpen them almost. Okay. I'll go set the camera up in the mill and show you the milling. There it is. Nice surface finish in there. Then there's the washer. Drops right in there. Brings it back out to the correct thickness. And it actually works in the knife. So that is today's project. Here's a couple knives on the bench. The inlays. I like this multicolor G10. Ooh, nice stuff.